How to create a Google form redirect. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form redirect. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type Google Forms. Then you need to click on the first link that appears. Now that you're in the Google Forms, you need to simply go ahead and click on Settings. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on the arrow in the side of the presentation over here. From here, you can edit your confirmation message. You can type anything that you want. Let's say, then you need to simply go ahead and paste the link that you have copied. Let's say I want to paste the google.com, and once you have done that, you need to simply click on Save. Now, in order to check that, you need to go ahead and then you need to open up the form. From here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Submit. Once you have done that, you can see that the link that we have embedded before is right over here. Now, once you click that, you will be directed to google.com. And that's it. You now know how to create a Google form redirect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.